Have you ever heard of a family with blue skin? No, this isn't the science fiction. It is a true weird story from over 50 years ago that'll leave you questioning everything you know about the human body facts. Welcome back to Weird Verse, where we dive into the weird facts, strange facts, and unbelievable facts that make our world a weird universe. Today, we're traveling back to the 1950s to uncover a bizarre story from the hills of Kentucky, USA, with a twist that connects to science facts and even a surprising link to Africa. Buckle up, because this true weird story is packed with creepy facts, odd facts, and shocking truths that'll blow your mind. Picture this: it's the 1820s in Troublesome Creek, a remote part of Kentucky. A French immigrant named Martin Fugate settles in this isolated valley. Martin was a healthy guy, but he carried a secret in his genes that would spark one of the most bizarre stories in weird history. You see, Martin had a rare genetic condition called methemoglobinemia, a mouthful of a term that is one of those science facts you didn't he know you needed to know. This condition messes with how your blood carries oxygen, and here's the weird fact: it can turn your skin blue. Yes, blue like a smurf. This wasn't just Martin, though. He married a woman named Elizabeth, and by some rare facts of chance, she also carried this genetic quirk. Together, they had kids, and their kids had kids, and soon the Fugate family became known as the Blue Fugates. Their skin wasn't just pale or sickly, it was a vivid, striking blue, a strange fact that made them stand out in their small community. Locals whispered about unexplained mysteries surrounding the family, with some thinking it was a curse or even something supernatural. Can you imagine walking into town, your skin glowing blue, and everyone staring? Talk about creepy facts. Now, here's where it gets even weirder. This condition wasn't just a one off. It persisted for generations because the Fugates lived in a remote area, so they often married close relatives, which concentrated the gene. This wasn't uncommon back then, but it amplified this odd fact of their blue skin. And here's a fun fact: despite their startling appearance, the blue Fugates were mostly healthy, living normal lives, farming and raising families. Their blue skin didn't stop them, but it sure made them a curious fact in Kentucky's history. Fast forward to the 1950s, over a century later, and the blue Fugates were still around, still blue, and still sparking weird facts that baffled everyone. By this time, medical science was starting to catch up, and doctors began investigating this strange but true phenomenon. A hematologist named Dr. Madison Coyne heard about the family and decided to dig into this unbelievable fact. He trekked to Troublesome Creek, armed with curiosity and a desire to uncover the science facts behind this weird universe mystery. Dr. Coyne met Benjamin Benji Stacy, a young man whose lips and fingernails were so blue they looked almost purple. Benji was healthy otherwise, but his appearance was a shocking truth that screamed for an explanation. Coyne ran tests and confirmed the family's methemoglobinemia. Here's a brain fact for you: this condition causes the blood to have too much methemoglobin, a form of hemoglobin that doesn't carry oxygen well, turning the skin blue due to poor oxygenation. It's one of those human body facts that sounds like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, but it's real. Coyne's research uncovered another strange fact: this condition wasn't unique to Kentucky. Similar cases had been reported in places as far away as Africa, among isolated communities in countries like Nigeria and South Africa, where genetic mutations sometimes led to similar rare facts about skin discoloration. This weird science connection showed that the weird universe loves to repeat its strangest tricks across continents. But what could be done for the Fugates? Was there a way to cure their blue skin? That's where the story takes a wild turn. Dr. Coyne didn't just diagnose the blue Fugates, he found a treatment that sounds like it came straight out of a bizarre story. He discovered that injecting a chemical called methylene blue could counteract the methemoglobin in their blood. Here's the unbelievable fact: when Benji and other Fugates were given this treatment, their skin started turning back to a normal color within hours. Imagine that: a blue-skinned person watching their hands and face transform before their eyes. It's one of those shocking truths that proves weird science can solve even the strangest problems. But here's the dark fact: the treatment wasn't permanent. The Fugates had to keep taking methylene blue to maintain their normal skin tone, or the blue would creep back, and as modern medicine spread and the family intermarried with outsiders, the condition became less common, fading into weird history. By the 1980s, the blue Fugates were mostly a memory, but their story remains one of the most curious facts in medical history. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Benji Stacy, one of the last known blue-skinned fugates, was born in 1975, but his blue tint faded naturally as he grew up, thanks to a weaker expression of the gene. Talk about a strange but true ending. So there you have it, the true weird story of the blue people of Kentucky. A tale packed with weird facts, strange facts, and unbelievable facts that show how wild our weird universe can be, from a genetic quirk turning skin blue to a medical breakthrough that connected Kentucky to Africa. This bizarre story is proof that science facts and human body facts can be stranger than fiction. Want more creepy facts, odd facts, and shocking truths like this? Hit that subscribe button for more weird truths from Weirdverse. Drop a comment below. Would you want to try methylene blue to change your skin color? And don't forget to like and share this video to spread the curious facts. See you in the next weird history adventure.